Hello, it has been a while since I've done a video and it is now 2020. I think the last time I did a video was 2016, so it's been a long time. Anyway, with that, I'm going to be trying something new. A lot of things have been happening in my life. One is that I have moved to Costa Rica and I've been here for the last 4 years, which is why I haven't done any sort of video about hair or anything like that. My life has been busy and I've been focused on living abroad and teaching abroad, and I think I actually might do some videos on teaching ESL in Costa Rica. If you're interested, let me know and definitely leave some comments below, please. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about my hair growth and how I've been coming along with that, especially living abroad, and some changes I've been making. So to cut right to it, I'm going to go ahead and delve in. So, as stated before, it's been a while since I've done an actual hair tutorial or any type of hair video talking about hair growth or anything of that nature. So at this point in time, you can see that my hair is actually in some twists at this point in time. I would say my hair stretched out is about shoulder length, comes to my collarbone here and stretch out to the side. It definitely touches my shoulder, and of course here it comes down to my chin. All this is in twists, so outside of twist it's a little bit longer. With that being said, I have noted that over the last couple of years I felt like my hair hasn't grown a lot. So a little bit about some things that my hair's gone through in the last I would say 2 years while here in Costa Rica, or even the last 4 years. First off, my hair was dyed when I came, and so I was trying to grow out the dyed hair. So with that being said, every time it was growing out, I was cutting off inches to maintain the length, but to cut out the actual color and the split ends and all of that jazz. Fast forward to 2 years ago, a friend of mine decided to straighten my hair, and I have been learning how to detangle my hair, the best way to detangle and manage my hair. I wash my hair in sections and things of that nature, but with that being said, my hair was still very, very, very tangled, and so she was able to detangle my entire head for me, straighten my hair. I cut off all of the dead ends, etc. I shouldn't say dead ends, because technically it's all dead ends, but I cut off all the split ends, and my hair has since felt really great, really restored. I'm going to be doing a deep conditioner today. I've YouTubed this from all the YouTube experts out there, and I found a really great deep conditioner that I'm actually going to try. So this deep conditioner contains olive oil. It contains a regular conditioner, because that's what I have in my house right now. It also contains coconut oil. I have some of that in my house, and some honey. So I'm going to try that out, and I'm actually going to show you how it works. I'm going to put it in my hair. I'm going to undo these twists, which I did 2 days ago, and I did my hair with olive oil and put that on my hair while it was wet, and then just twisted it, and I think they turned out pretty good. They're pretty springy and feel really great and healthy, and yeah. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna sorry, I'm fixing my hair right there. We're gonna try that, and we're gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna show you the results. See you in a moment. Okay, so I'm now in my kitchen, and we're gonna get this party started. Okay, so I am now in my kitchen. I just used a half cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of honey, and a little bit of coconut oil. We will see how this turns out, and I'm gonna add it to a cup of conditioner. So now I've mixed the olive oil, the honey, and the coconut oil into the conditioner. I got like $1 conditioner. It's from here, and it's $1 conditioner. And so I've mixed it all together, and I'm about to blend it together now. Okay, so I just got finished whipping this bad boy up with my not blender, but mixer here. And what I noticed is that the mixture wasn't as thick as I wanted, so I actually added some mayo to it, and I'm just gonna look at that. That is delicious looking. And because I have conditioner and other things in it, it actually has really good slip. Look at that. And I actually put it on a section of my hair already, and it feels phenomenal. And I'm gonna put this all over my head, and I'm gonna show you video with that in just a moment. Okay, so here, literally, I had to fast forward Because it took me about 30 minutes to do my hair. I didn't want you to see a 30-minute clip of me doing my hair. At least not in 30 minutes, but certainly in 3. So here I just took the moisturizer. I made sure to, I didn't part my hair. I don't like parting my hair. But anyway, I just decided to take sections of my hair and add it from the root all the way to the end of my hair. And I tell you guys, when I was putting it on my scalp, it felt phenomenal. Here in Costa Rica, it's actually rainy season right now, so there's a lot of moisture in the air, and it takes a lot of moisture out of my hair, and also, oddly enough, out of my scalp. So my scalp has been really itchy lately and things like that. So fortunately, definitely putting this stuff on my hair has helped my scalp, and it just feels phenomenal. And it felt creamy and delicious. I was playing with my hair here, looking at it bounce and stuff. But it just felt so soothing to my scalp. And when I washed my hands off, I could actually feel like it felt like I went to a spa, put my hands in a spa. And that's exactly how my hair felt after I rinsed it out. It just felt soft and springy, and I don't know how any other way to describe it. It felt delicious, super delicious. But it smelled good. The mixture smelled really, really good. The olive oil, the coconut oil, all blended really nicely together. And the honey, of course, moisturized it. And I really didn't have to like detangle my hair here a lot. It was pretty, well done. Some areas I did need to add some water to it. So I added this to dry hair actually. So if you want to use this mixture on wet hair, I think it'll work good. For some reason, it felt better to me when I actually just put it on my dry hair. Like my hair absorbed it a little bit better. I don't know why, but it felt really good on my dry hair in some parts of my head, and in others, it just felt good to add water first, kind of like how I'm doing, and kind of like the crown of my head area, which tends to be the most difficult spot. You can see some of my length there. Me adding more of this cream to my hair. And let me tell you, this cream, like I used half a cup of olive oil. I used the remaining, coconut oil I had. And I also used a cup of conditioner, and also some honey, added that in there, a teaspoon of honey, and I decided to add mayo to thicken my mixture because my conditioner that I used was kind of liquidy, and I didn't like how it felt. It just felt like I needed something extra, and that extra was the mayo, and it just worked wonders on my hair. As you can see, my curls are popping, and I'm pulling out shedded hair. But anyway, I would definitely suggest this. I would recommend it. It's an easy, inexpensive home treatment for deep conditioning treatment. I think if you live in a very rainy environment, or it's just super dry outside, wintertime, wherever you may be, you should definitely utilize it. Hey, so I just finished washing this stuff out of my hair, and it feels great. I have nothing else in it, but I'm getting ready to do my hair for the night. So I just finished twisting my hair, and I put olive oil with essential oils in it, and my hair feels so soft and so fluffy and so bouncy. And look at that shine, guys. It's like shiny, shiny, shiny. You can actually see some of the oil on my face. That's how shiny it is. But I'm loving it, and I will show you an image of a twist out probably from the next 2 days from now. So that was it. I'm loving it. Hey, so it's the next day. It's actually the afternoon of the next day, so it's been like a full almost 24 hours, and I decided to keep my hair in a protective style twist, and pretty much my hair feels incredible. It feels very springy. I call that pop back, where you go boing. There's a ton of animals out here making noise, but I decided to keep it in protective twist. My hair feels absolutely moisturized, and I love it. I will absolutely be doing that deep moisturizer again, probably in the next week or two, and my hair feels phenomenal. And it smells great, and it felt great on my scalp, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that helps you on your hair journey as well. Peace and blessings.